How to add emergency contacts on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add emergency contacts to your iPhone using the Health application. This ensures that first responders can access vital contact information from your device lock screen in case of emergencies. So first of all, you can head over to your app library and search for Health. So simply click on Health. And then you're going to click on your profile at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to head over, click on Medical ID. And then you're going to toggle this button on that says Show When Locked. And then here you could be able to see emergency contacts. So you're going to click on Add in order to add emergency contacts. And here you'll be able to see something like this. So your emergency contacts will receive a message saying that you have called emergency services when you use emergency SOS. So you're going to simply click on Add Emergency Contact and select any of the contact from your contact list to add them as emergency contact. Also, you're going to add your relationship with the person. Once you have added the number, you're going to head over and click on any relation. So I'm going to click on father over here. And once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this that would say the person's name and also say the relation and along with their number. You're going to head over, click on done. And that was how you can add emergency contacts on iPhone. Next thing that you can do is simply close your phone and click on emergency contacts, click on medical, and you'll be able to see the contacts listed over there. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.